Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be very different for me. I need to go through this whole unit behind me, but I decided there's no way I'm going to be able to do the entire unit in one video. I need to declutter, I need to organize so that I have more room to be more efficient with everything filming. I feel like so many new items just get lost in my collection and that makes it harder to do my job. So today we're going to be tackling these two drawers. This is actually the finished product. So if you guys want to see me declutter my skincare collection and kind of organize and go through these drawers and you want to see what's in them, then just keep on watching. So I truly hate showing my body. This is like a first for my channel. I feel like a bobblehead from this angle, but I'm going to start off with my skincare drawers. So I have an upper skincare drawer and a lower. I originally had them organized as like a mask drawer and then an everything else drawer. So really, I don't know how to do this. I feel like I should do maybe potted products in one drawer and tubes in another drawer. I don't know. I need like an organization person to help me with this kind of thing. But I think I'm just going to start by taking out stuff that I either don't use or can get rid of and then go from there. So I have this eye mask that Ofra sent me. I actually think I should put this in my fridge, let it cool off so I can use it at night. I'm going to get rid of these Yes to Tomatoes bubbling wipes because I haven't used them in a while. I don't feel like I'm going to reach for them, so I'm just going to declutter these. I'm keeping my Neutrogena wipes and my Ofra wipes. These glitter masks from Wet n Wild I want to use in a skincare video on Instagram. I just think it would make for really cool content. It's not something that I reach for often. Also, same thing with the Too Faced glitter mask. Any type of glitter mask, it's not really my go-to item, but I love using them for Instagram content. So I'm going to keep these for future like skincare Sundays over on my Instagram. I keep my face halos in here, which I absolutely love. I can never get rid of them, even though you're supposed to throw them out after like a year of having them. I still struggle to throw them out. I think I've only ever thrown out one of them. I have my e.l.f. liquid lipstick remover in here. It's another thing that probably doesn't belong in here, but I'm like an organized mess. I know where things are, even though it's not where they typically would belong. So it's going to end up getting thrown back in here at some point. I have this new skincare from Avon. It's an eye depuffing serum and a replenishing serum. And one of them, actually they're both raspberry. So what I'm going to do to hopefully make myself use them is take them out of the box. I end up running a store type of thing over here. Like the vibe is like, it's my own little personal store, so I open things when I'm ready to, but that does not help me because I end up letting them sit in their boxes forever and I don't actually try the products. So I'm going to pop these out of their boxes. So this actually looks really cool. So I'm going to put these in wherever I end up putting serums. I have Marula oil. I have a bunch of oils. They should all be together too. I want to keep all of my micellar waters and makeup removers together too. This is going to be so difficult. I'm going to put this Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum in with the serums. I still haven't tried this yet. This is a Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Unicorn Peel Off Mask. I haven't tried this yet. It actually has this little silicone applicator at the front of it, so I think this is going to be really cool to try. I might try this in a skincare Sunday on Instagram as well. I have a lot of Pixi in my collection. I think it'd be cool if I could keep some of the brands together, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Pixi has some really good skincare in Target. This is the Glow Mud Mask, so I want this to be with my mask. Most of my masks are in the bottom drawer, so I think I'm going to keep it that way, which means I'm going to have to move all of these Ofra masks down into that drawer as well. And then I have tons of cleansers. I like keeping the tall ones in the tall drawer. This drawer has a little bit more space to keep your tall products rather than the one below it. The way we did it was this whole row is a little bit taller so that my palette drawer over here is tall enough for tall palettes. These are Pixi backups of the Rose Flash Bomb and Rose Caviar Essence. So all of my backups are going to go into the back of the drawers. I'm going to declutter these Avon skincare products. This is a nighttime facial treatment and a Hydrofusion gel cream. I'm actually going to give both of these to my mom. My mom really likes skincare, so does my grandma, so whenever I have unused skincare, I will offer it up to them first. I'm going to get rid of this Allies of Skin Promise Keeper Blemish Facial because I used it once and it really, really hurt me. I don't know why. I might offer it up to my best friend because I think she's tried this brand and been successful using it, but there must be some ingredient in here that my skin does not work well with, so I'm going to offer it up to her, and if she doesn't want it, I'm just going to toss it. This seems kind of scary. This is the Avon Vitamin C Warming Peel Exfoliant, so it's going to make, it's like a chemical peel. It's going to give you like a fresh layer of skin. It says that it has a warming sensation when activated with water. It opens your pores to remove impurities. Interesting. I might have to try this soon. I have another peel off mask from Wander Beauty. So I'm going to have a bigger section of peel off masks than I thought originally. I'm going to keep all of my Proactive items. I'm keeping them in the back of my drawer in case I have like an insane month of breakouts or anything like that. I like to keep them all as backup. I don't use Proactive super often. Luckily I don't break out that much, but I like to have it all just in case I have like a bad spell of breakouts. I have the Ofra Talyamar West End Micellar water. I love their micellar waters, so I'm going to keep this with all of the other micellar waters. A lot of stuff in here I haven't even tried yet, guys. This is the Twin Medics Pro Refine Moisturizer. Again, this is the problem of not taking things out of their boxes. So I'm going to take this out and hopefully use it. So I'm going to put it over by my Ofra moisturizers. These are both backups of my Ofra cleansers. I have a vitamin C and a foaming kiwi. I actually have both of these in my bathroom right now. So since they're backups, I'm going to put them into the back of the drawer. And then I found my Ofra Peptide Brightening Mask. I love this mask. This is going to go into my mask drawer. So now what I'm going to do with potted products like these, I'm going to separate all of the masks from moisturizers. Moisturizers are going to stay in the top drawer. Masks are going to move down to the bottom drawer. So I have my Origins Charcoal Honey Mask. I love this mask. And then they just came out with the Pore Clearing Moisturizer. Both are in the same line, but I am going to separate them. Then I have the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb, which I love as a primer, also a moisturizer. I like to use this one before makeup. Then I have a lot of Ofra masks. I have the Blemish Treatment Mask, Volcanic Mask, Revitalizing Clay Mask. I have the Brightening Mask, and then I have the OG Kim Tai Moisturizer, the Wanderlush, which I actually loved so much, and I have some backups. I'm probably one of the only people who still have backups, but I'm going to keep this up in the moisturizers. This is a backup of my Origins Nitamins cream. I have one downstairs next to my bed, so this again is going to go in the back with backups. I have some more Saturday Skin products. I have the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream and the Eye Cream. Both are going to stay up in this moisturizing drawer. I have the Too Faced Pineapple Glow Moisturizing and Brightening Face Mask. This will go in the face mask drawer. I have the Saturday Skin Cleanser, and what I think I'm going to do is actually keep cleansers and micellar waters in this upper drawer. I just think they're going to be over to this side, so I'm going to keep it in here for now. I'm going to have to work that out in a few minutes. I have the Ofra Vitamin C Cream and the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. Both are going to stay up here. I used to love this product. It has such a weird smell, but I love it. This is the Kiehl's Pure Vitality Skin Renewing Cream. And then I have the Origins Plant Description SPF 25 Anti-Aging Cream. Both are going to be up here. Then I have the Lancome Absolute Cream Fondant Soft Cream. This is super bougie packaging, so I might end up like putting this in the front so you can see it. I like to put cute stuff in the front. So unfortunately, I think I need to declutter this Glam Glow Thirsty Mud mask because I think it's a few years old. So this is going to be tossed. I like the packaging. I would keep it in there just for that sake, but I need to declutter some things. So I'm going to get rid of this. And then this is fairly new. This is the Milk Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask, and I'm going to keep this and put it in the mask drawer. I'm going to keep the Talyamar Ofra Collab Vitamin C Moisturizer and Scrub in this drawer. And I think since this is the moisturizing drawer, I'm also going to keep toners and I'm going to keep some serums in here. So I think all the serums and oils are going to make their way back up into this drawer as well because it seems like we have quite a bit of room in here. So I have the Hangover X Good in Bed from Too Faced. This is their new hydrating serum, which I've been trying. And I also have a moisturizing toner from Laneige. I'm going to keep both of these in this drawer. The Ofra Cool as a Cucumber Primer, I'm going to move into my primer drawer back here. And the Pixie On The Glow Moisture Stick, I'm going to keep in with the moisturizers. I have an Ofra toner I'm going to keep in this drawer, and then I have a makeup fixer I'm going to move over into my setting spray drawer. Okay, so I'm going to pop some of this stuff back up into the drawer, like the micellar waters, anything moisturizer, and anything toner. I'm going to move back up, and then we're going to work on the second drawer. So I have my Bioderma micellar water. I'm going to move up into this drawer. Thank God for these. I have backups of the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula oil, and this is my favorite oil. It like saves my skin. I can't even explain it to you, but I do have it downstairs already in my bedroom next to my bed, so I'm going to put these in the back of the moisturizing drawer as backups. I loved this stuff while it was good. This is the Estee Edit Rescue Balm, but they got rid of the Estee Edit, I believe, and this is like 3 years old. So I'm going to go ahead and toss this. And I'm going to keep my Tidal cream from Sunday Riley and move it up into the moisturizers. I'm going to get rid of this SK2 brand facial treatment essence. I remember using it a while back. I think it broke me out, so I'm going to get rid of this. All serum products are going to be moved up to the top drawer. This is another old product I'm going to declutter. This sounds gross. It's the Kicho Sheep Oil Cream. This is a K-beauty type product. It's a Korean skincare brand. I loved this. I know it sounds gross, sheep oil, but as you can see, I loved it, but it's definitely expired now, so I have to toss it. I love the Pixie toners and tonics. So the Glow Tonics, the Vitamin C tonics, the Rose Tonics, all of them will be moved up into the top drawer. I'm going to put my favorite Drunk Elephant Peaky Bar in with my cleansers. This is my last backup. I'm so obsessed with this product. I talked about it in my favorite skincare products video if you want to check it out. But basically, I think this is what keeps my skin so clear. I'm going to move up my cleansing makeup removing jelly from Origins and my Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. I'm going to move up. I'm moving more Drunk Elephant backups into the backup section. This is my night serum and my hydration gel. And I'm going to move up the full hydration gel to this drawer. I have tons and tons of masks. The Drunk Elephant whipped cream I'm going to keep up here. So I have a bunch of the Origins mushroom products. I love them. This is Skin Relief Lotion and also the Skin Relief Micellar Cleanser. So these are going to get moved up. And then I have a lot of the Origins Plant-Scription Anti-Aging Serums, also the Mushroom Face Serum and Eye Serum, which are going to get moved up. I have the new Skin Protecting SPF 25 Hangover X Good To Go Moisturizer. So I'm going to put this in with the moisturizers. Then I'm going to have to start arranging the masks and maybe doing something a little different here. So Origins are my all-time favorite masks. I have the Activated Charcoal Mask, the Hello Calm Mask, Resilience masks. I have the Drink Up Intense mask, and I have the new Elemis Superfood mask from BOXYCHARM. All of these tube-like masks I'm going to organize in the left side of the drawer. I'm going to declutter this Korean Skincare sleeping pack because it's a few years old, and also this mini Glam Glow mask because it's a few years old. I have my Drunk Elephant baby facial in the mask drawer. This thing is intense. And then I have some eye depuffing gel and some blemish cream. I'm just going to keep them in here. Their small little shape makes them kind of hard to organize. I keep my mask brushes and skincare brushes in this drawer, but what I think I want to do is find like an empty candle or cup or something to let them sit upward instead of laying down. I don't have something to store these in right now, so they're just going to have to lay down like they were. Putting back the Wet n Wild and Glam Glow glitter masks. And I'm going to keep my face halos and my wipes in this drawer too. Alright, so I'm going to share with you guys some more things that I decluttered. I got rid of the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. Remember when Nikki Tutorials used this as a primer and then everybody used this as a primer? I'm not a huge fan anymore, so I'm getting rid of that. I have this Kevyn Aucoin Neo Elixir body oil that is also leaking, so I'm ridding myself of that mess. I have the Derma E Tea Tree and Vitamin E oil I'm going to give up to family. I have the Derma E Vitamin C moisturizer that I believe separated and possibly expired, so I'm going to get rid of that. I have a shampoo that I must have stolen from a hotel that I'm never going to use, and then I have a gold peel-off mask that I don't think I have any interest in using anymore, so I'm going to give that up as well. And that leaves us with everything that I've decluttered so far. So I know it's not a ton. This is why I wanted to do my whole unit all at once, but honestly, if I did, I realized it's going to be like hours and hours of filming. So I did my skincare a little bit, decluttered it as much as I thought I can, and I'm going to share with you guys what they look like now. Honestly, it's not the biggest improvement in the world when it comes to organization, but at least now there's a little bit of rhyme and reason when it comes to where things are. So I'm going to bag this up, separate the trash from what I'm letting people pick through, and I'll show you guys my drawers. So I know it's not perfect, but we have the mask drawer with exfoliators and masks. And I do have some backups in the back of this drawer that I didn't have room for in the upper drawer. And I'm just keeping some of my tools, like my face halos and my brushes, and the weird products that can't stand up are going to be in this drawer for now. So at least I know where to go for my masks. And then up here is moisturizers and makeup cleansers. So I have cleansers, I have the cleansing waters, micellar waters, and then I have all of the moisturizers and serums that I have in my collection. So this drawer is obviously crazy. It's almost like I need a third drawer just for backups, because the back of this drawer is pretty much full of backups. But honestly, it's better for me to know where things are, and I'm not so worried about how they look as how they function in my life. So that is it for my skincare kind of tour and declutter and organization. I hope it wasn't too horrible, but that's it for this video. If you guys want to see more, I have to do this to literally the entire collection. I can't believe I thought I was going to get that done today, but thumbs up this video if that is something that you're interested in. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next one. Bye.